In the world of blenders, size and power often dictate performance. But this Beast Mini Blender Plus challenges this notion by offering a compact design without sacrificing efficiency. The 600-watt motor and an array of thoughtful features, this mini countertop blender promises to revolutionize your blending experience. Whether you're whipping up smoothies, grinding coffee, or creating sauces and dips, the Beast Mini Blender Plus is designed to be your versatile kitchen companion. Here's a detailed review of its features, performance, and benefits. The Beast Mini Blender Plus stands out with its impressive 600 watts motor, making it the most powerful mini blender available. This robust motor ensures that the blender can handle a wide variety of tasks, from blending fruits and vegetables to crushing ice and grinding coffee beans. Despite its compact size, the Beast Mini delivers performance comparable to larger, more cumbersome blenders. The power behind this blender means you can achieve smooth, consistent results with ease. Whether you're making a morning smoothie, a creamy dressing, or a refreshing cocktail, the 600-watt motor ensures that your ingredients are thoroughly blended. This level of power in a mini blender is a game changer, providing the efficiency you need without taking up valuable kitchen space. One of the most compelling aspects of the Beast Mini Blender Plus is its versatility. This blender is not just for smoothies, it's designed to handle a range of kitchen tasks. Here's a breakdown of what this mini blender can do. Blend smoothies and shakes. The Beast Mini excels at blending fruits and vegetables into smooth, creamy beverages. The powerful motor and sharp blades ensure that even tough ingredients are processed with ease. Create dressings and sauces. Blender's efficiency extends to making dressings, sauces, and dips. From homemade vinaigrettes to rich, creamy sauces, the Beast Mini can handle it all. Grind coffee and spices. Equipped with durable blades, the Beast Mini can grind coffee beans and spices, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen arsenal. Crush ice. The 600-watt motor is powerful enough to crush ice, making it perfect for chilled drinks and frozen cocktails. This wide range of capabilities makes the Beast Mini Blender Plus a valuable tool for anyone who enjoys experimenting with different recipes and flavors. The Beast Mini Blender Plus is designed with convenience and portability in mind. Compact size makes it ideal for small kitchens, apartments, and dorms. The small footprint ensures that the blender doesn't take up much counter space, making it easy to leave out and use regularly. Additionally, the blender comes with a drinking lid with a carry cap and a straw cap plus straw, allowing you to blend and take your creations on the go. Whether you're heading to work, the gym, or simply running errands, you can easily bring your smoothies or shakes with you. This feature is particularly useful for busy individuals who want to maintain a healthy lifestyle without compromising on convenience. The Beast Mini Blender Plus is built with health in mind. It's designed to turn fresh whole foods into nutritious snacks and meals with minimal prep and cleanup. The compact design encourages you to use it frequently, making it easier to incorporate healthy ingredients into your diet. Minimal prep and cleanup. The blender's design ensures that you spend less time preparing ingredients and cleaning up afterward. The simple, easy-to-use controls make it straightforward to achieve your desired results without fuss. Durable and safe materials. The blending vessel is made from high-quality, BPA-free plastic, ensuring that your drinks and food remain free from harmful chemicals. The robust construction also means that the blender is built to last, even with regular use. Conclusion. The Beast Mini Blender Plus offers a powerful and versatile blending experience in a compact, user-friendly design. With its 600 watts motor, it provides exceptional performance that rivals larger blenders, while its compact size makes it perfect for small spaces. Whether you're blending smoothies, grinding coffee, or making sauces, the Beast Mini Blender Plus is equipped to handle a variety of tasks with ease. If you're looking for a high-performance blender that doesn't compromise on power despite its size, the Beast Mini Blender Plus is an excellent choice. Its blend of power, versatility, and convenience makes it a standout appliance in any kitchen. Order your Beast Mini Blender Plus today and experience the difference it can make in your daily cooking and blending routine. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.